Having trouble signing into Cisco Webex, whether you're getting an incorrect password error, a blank login page, or you're stuck in a sign-in loop, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to fix Cisco Webex login problems. So yeah, let's get started. First, make sure you're using the correct email address and password for your Webex account. If your organization uses single sign-on, or SSO, click Next after entering your email and complete the sign-in process through your company's identity provider instead of entering a Webex password. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email, create a new password, and then try signing in again. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if the reset email doesn't appear right away. If you're signing in through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reload the login page. If you're using the desktop or mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. You know, outdated files or cached data can sometimes prevent successful sign-ins. If the problem continues, check your internet connection and confirm that your organization's Webex service is available. If you're using a work or school account, your administrator may have changed your login permissions or security settings. I mean, this is a common reason why previously working accounts suddenly can't sign in. If you've tried all these steps and still can't access your account, it's time to contact Cisco Webex support or your organization's IT administrator. Be ready to provide your email address, any error messages you're seeing, and the device you're using. That information can help speed up the troubleshooting process. And that's how to fix Cisco Webex login problems in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions got you back into your account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.